everyone, Ms. Estersohn here, English Team 7-1. Today I'm going to talk about The Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus by Dusty Bowling. This book is not about a cactus, it's about a girl who was born without arms. You're probably thinking, how does someone without arms get up in the morning? How does someone without arms eat? How does someone without arms put on pants? It turns out Eva can do all those things. She learned how to do them with her feet. Sometimes it takes her a long time, but yes, she can do it. And one of the things that happens is that she moves to a new school where students don't know her. They look at her, they're not used to her. And in art class, her teacher says, "Here, let me help you because you don't have arms and I assume you can't do things." And Evan's like, "Nah, I can do it." And Evan ends up being the first student in her class to correctly put out her paints, even though she has no arms. One of the things that I loved about this book is that I was expecting it to be kind of sad. I was expecting it to be sad because I was born with arms, and I assumed that if I didn't have arms, I'd be really sad about it. But Evan only knows life without arms. This is what she's used to. This is her daily life. And she's funny, she's happy, she has a really good sense of humor, she's a great friend. And so this book is extremely happy, and Evan shows other people how she deals with issues, and Evan learns from her friends learn from her. But this is really a book showing us how we can overcome our own challenges and how life is and how we just get used to life, even if things are tough for us sometimes.